welcome on Ears Overflow. Today we will compare D3.js and Chart.js and Recharts. A comprehensive comparison between popular charting libraries. We will see overview cards, feature comparison table, live demo, decision tree, code examples, and quick summary. Also, key interactive elements, chart type toggles, real time render time comparison, randomized data button, and scenario based recommendations. So let's get started. I will provide this repository URL in the description. You can clone this and you will see this compare. Open this and then open index.html. I have already opened here. So I'll double click on this. Yeah. So here we will see chart library showdown, the ultimate comparison. So D3.js, it has full control. Chart, Chart.js, it has quick setup, and the charts, that is React Native. Overview at a glance. D3.js, that is data driven documents, gives developers complete control over every pixel. Low level maximum flexibility, direct DOM manipulation, custom animations and interactions. But it has steep learning curve, so that is one thing. And here chart.js, it is simple yet flexible, make beautiful charts accessible to everyone, easy to get started, canvas based rendering, built in chart types, and it has limited customization. Then we have Recharts, that is React charting library. Charts as React components, the React way. This is native React integration, declarative components, D3 under the hood, and React only. So let's see other section, that is feature by feature. So we have comparison here, that is learning curve. Then we have customization. Then we have setup speed. Then we have animations. Then we have performance, React integration, chart types, and large datasets. Then we have live demo for bar chart, line chart, and pie chart. So for bar chart, we'll see this is 3.7 millisecond. This is 7.5 millisecond. Here, this is, you can see it requires React, so it is not showing. So here you will see this is 50 lines of code. This is 15 lines of code, but this is 3.7 millisecond. Randomize the data and you will see something different, 2.2 millisecond, 11.6 millisecond. Again randomize the data, click on this, click on this, click on this. You will see some different times, right? Now go to line chart. Here it is 5.7 millisecond, it is 16.8 millisecond. Click on this, you will see time, right? Now we'll see pie chart, and also we can see. Next, we have real world scenarios. Dashboard with standard charts. Building an admin dashboard with bar, line, and pie charts. Best choice Chart.js. Quick setup, built-in responsiveness. React application, Recharts. Then we have interactive data visualization. We need creating custom geographic maps or network graphs. Best choice is D3.js. Full control over rendering. We have animated storytelling, buildings, our storytelling or animated data story. Best choice is D3.js. Now we have quick setup if we need, quick prototype, need to store database in hours, not days, then best is Chart.js. Minimal setup, quick results. Scientific visualization if we need, complex multi-dimensional data visualization, best choice is D3.js. Custom scales, complex layouts. Now let's see, this is quick quiz. Are you using React.js? Yes. Do you need highly customized custom visualizations? Yes, very custom. D3.js is your best choice. If I am using no React, speed and simplicity, Chart.js. No React, full control and customization, D3.js. And yes, React, no standard charts, Recharts. Code examples. Here you'll see lines of code, that is 25 lines. Here you'll see 15 lines. Here you'll see 12 lines. Now we'll see quick summary. Use D3.js when you need unique custom visualizations, building interactive data stories, working with maps or network graphs. You need fine grained animation control. Performance with complex SVG is critical. So you can use D3.js. When to use Chart.js? You need charts quickly. Standard chart types are sufficient. Building dashboards. Working outside React component ecosystem. Large data sets. Canvas performance. You can use this one. Now use recharts when you are in a React application. Want declarative chart components, need good TypeScript support, state driven chart updates before React style composition. But one thing I want to mention, that if you want to use full control, then you need to use D3.js. So one thing we can see here, that is scientific valid visualization, that is in for complex multi-dimensional data visualization we can use D3.js. So if you have complex data, also we will see here as well, for larger data set this is best and this is excellent. So but if you need control, so in that case you can use this, because in scientific visualization we need control over the our uh, visualization, like custom scales, complex layouts, so we can use d3.js. I have this d3.js. You can click here, we'll be opening d3.js. Chart.js, this is the chart.js, and this is recharts. Okay, so you can find URL here itself. I hope this video you will like. In next videos we'll see practical and we'll see some more code, how to do this coding. So thanks for watching, stay connected to your Overflow.